Okay, the first blind box we're gonna open up is this Marvel blind box, the little one. Let me turn the camera so you can see better. Jamal, you're gonna be crying. You can get Rocket Raccoon, Gwen, Miles, Groot, Another Rocket, Spider-Man, Anti-Venom, Star-Lord. I forgot what Spider-Man that is. Thor.
Hala Habibi tipped $2 via super.
I think that's Black Widow, and I think this is
Brock Turhan Jamal, love you, my guy.
You said shout out to Brock Tur. What did you say?
I think this is what's his name? Oh, I think this one is Iron Fist.
Shout out to Brock Turhan.
Let's see. One of the Spider-Mans. I'm not looking.
No. You in the closet? Bro, I'm not in the closet.
I'm not looking. What do we get? What do we get? I'm not looking. What do we get? Oh, we got Rocket Raccoon.
I was never in the closet.
We got Rocket Raccoon, guys. We got Rocket Raccoon, guys. Rocket Raccoon. Next one. The Remersible Plushie Mystery Box. We're opening up this one next. You get rares. You can get all of these kind. I want the rare ones. One of the rares. We got this one.
Never.
We got that one, guys.
No, I'm not doing the 24 hours thing. Not this. No, this is YouTube. Yeah.
Yo.
Luke Miller tipped £2 via super chat. Let my guy tap that. He will treat you good.
Chat. Cool it.
Nah, y'all are acting crazy. Y'all are weird as fuck for things. Let me tap that. Y'all are... Y'all are weird as fuck. Why are y'all telling Jamal's chat, can I tap that to his barber, the lady that's braiding his hair? And y'all need to have some sense of common. Online is crazy, even in person. Y'all should learn me saying that in person in the first place. Like everything I did, girl, I feel bad for it. I need to just lock in next year. Nah, but Loki, you need to stop saying that. That's the difference between bad bitch ass nigga. Just stop doing that. Stop. I'm trying to be a new man, a new person, you know? I'm literally trying to be a new person, different person. Trying to lock in. Just stream. Be locked in life. Have fun. Get ready for 11th grade. Stream. Lock in. Get ready for 11th grade. For 11th grade, have fun. Yeah, me a grown person. Oh, and wait, when does that happen? Me live and everything. Yeah. Oh yeah, some live I'm gonna do is live in New York. When I'm going to New York, I'm gonna be live there. I got more rubber bands. I think I'm in my rubber band ball. More of my rubber band ball. More of my rubber band ball. You remember, I'm also gonna get the tripod stand. The tripod stand when I go live. I can use that for going live, better angles on live. I can take some selfies with that. I can do a bunch of things with that. I can have fun. Hang on to New York. In New York, we're going to be in 4 days, have fun in New York. We're going to the train store in New York. We're going to the superhero store in New York. What else? I'm going to try to go DC, Rockville, Ellicott City, Silver Spring, Maryland. I'm going to try to do a lot of different lives. IRL. I'm going to play more Fortnite, 2K, more Rivals. I'm also going to trying to get some, I also want to get a PC. I'm going to do OBS restream and do new stuff. I want to share my screen so I can play games while I'm sharing my screen. I want to try and get my hair braided on live. I'm going to get my hair braided before I go to New York if it's cheap. If it's cheap, the lady that my sister goes to, the lady that my sister goes to get my hair braided all the time, her husband opened up a barber shop, and she's going to ask if they have braiders for guys. If they can braid me nicely, do the job I need, braid nicely, do whatever I need them to do, have lock in, do whatever I need them to do, make me look good with the braids and everything. Make me look good, make me look good for the girl that I love. Make me look good for the girl that I love. Make everything look good for her, look good, make me look good for myself, her. Make me look delicious. Make me look so good. She says, you look good with the hair. She's gonna want me soon. Sooner or later, she's gonna say she needs me. She needs me. She needs me. She can't wait for me to see her. But I feel bad for everything I did. I need to stop acting like this. Then, what else we're gonna do? Oh yeah, we start playing Bean Boozle. We're gonna watch some more Twitch streamers. Yeah, I don't know why I don't get good views when I'm at home a lot. But I need to do log in. What else we're gonna do? I need to go back to the studio, make some YouTube videos like I did last time. Oh yeah, please, all 3 people in this live, make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay guys? Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to go subscribe, guys. Everybody needs to make sure they also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. We're already at 777. Make sure you all subscribe. Make sure you all subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. We're about to play Bean Boozle soon. We're about to play Bean Boozle and everything, but make sure everybody in the live, make sure you all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, okay guys? Help me get to 1,000 subs. That's to go by the end of this month. We need to get to 1,000 subs by the end of this month. And then I'll be doing, I'm opening up my full box of mini brand balls when I get to 1,000 subs. No. We jumped on him, it's fine. Now we're about to play Bean Boozle, guys. Alright. I'm gonna flip my screen. I'm gonna spin the thing, and then I'm gonna flip it back when I'm about to eat it. Okay, guys, ready? What the fuck? We landed on. Landed on. Popcorn or barf. So, popcorn or barf is like the bluer one. Popcorn or barf. Blue. And there's orange. This one? I can't tell, guys. I can't tell if it's popcorn or Marv. Do you think this is pop? Do y'all think this is the popcorn one? From the Bean Boozle, or do you think this is the popcorn one? Let me know in the chat which one looks more like this. This one's more better. Let me know in the chat which one looks more like this one. Which one looks more like this one? Let me know in the chat. Is it this one? Or this one? Which one looks more like the picture I just showed you? Let me know in the chat. Now, everybody, let me know in the chat right now. Does it look like this one? Is it this one that looks more like this? Or does it look more like this? Which one does it look like, guys? Which one does it look more like? Which one does it look more like this one? Or this one? Let me know right now, guys. Everybody in the chat, let me know which one does it look like. I want to know which one it is so I don't eat the wrong one. I'm eating this one, I don't know what it is. Hey, Marv one. Hey, Marv. I think it's two wrong ones. I don't know. I think it's two wrong ones. Strawberry, banana, or dead fish? Sorry, I got dead fish. This is so nasty. So nasty. No water, no water. No, that was no banana. That was nasty. Next one, let me know you guys think I'm getting next one. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. The fuck? 3, 2, 1, go. What the fuck is this thing doing? Hey, what did I get? I got Mary Blue or toothpaste. And then I got Berry Blue or toothpaste. They're both not bad. Berry Blue or toothpaste. Ready? Go. Guys, the chat. I got toothpaste. I got toothpaste Bean Boozle, guys. I got toothpaste Bean Boozle. Toothpaste one, guys. Toothpaste one not that bad. Toothpaste that's a good flavor. It's not yummy. These are some good ones, okay? I just saw myself like the opposite. I just want nasty as fuck. I'm not eating the other one again. Next one, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we got. What the camera time? Here we got. Liver and onion. We got Capernaum. Cappuccino. Liver and onion or cappuccino, ready? What is this for my home? Oh my god, playing Bean Boozle now. No. No. No, I just failed that one. I just failed. Ah. That one's so nasty. Finger. Top banana or one dog? No. I couldn't do it. No. No. I'm not gonna eat any of them at this point. I'm not eating them. Ew. Oh yeah. I can't swallow the last one anymore. The Mexican one was not that bad. Oh yeah. The only one I have to the only one I have to be on. I smell on now. It's not in the lucky ones. Ah. Ugh. Ah. God, I'm not eating that again. Not Bean Boozle with that is the nastiest thing I've ever eaten. Nasty. Let's put a handful of my mouth. Ready to go. No, I'm not doing Bean Boozle again. I'm not doing this Bean Boozle thing again. It's disgusting. Hi guys. What are you doing? Alright. Yeah, man. Okay, come back. Man, let me give you all my honest opinion on Bean Boozle. So, let me give you all my honest opinion about the Bean Boozle game I just played. So, Bean Boozle game I just played, it was the nastiest thing I've ever eaten in my life. I'm never playing that game again. But this Rocket Raccoon that I got, it had Rocket Raccoon suit on it, Rocket Raccoon around, red base,